Welcome to Boxcode. In this video, we will learn how to create a splash screen in Android project. So, let's start it. Here, we will create a new project with empty views activity. After the activity create, we will design a splash screen. Here, we will create a simple design with text view and progress bar. After splash screen design, we will write a Java code in Java file. After that, we will create our second activity for home screen. Here, we add to second time for splash screen. After that, we design a simple home screen. Finally, our splash screen ready for run. Thank you for watching this video. If any query regarding the video, you can comment your query in comment box. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Subscribe, like, share, comment.